Back into proper training after a little bit of illness, so let's get to it. My squat's quite steady, making sure they move at a reasonable speed while I've been cutting weight. I'll gradually build them back up again once I've found a solid base. Not really the best movement for someone with my thigh length. As you see, I don't get a great deal of range of motion. The lads were doing it though, so I just jumped on and played, shifted a bit of weight. This is better for me. I focus on not a great deal of weight, but getting a good range of flex through my knee, and really helps strengthen around my knees and really works my quads hard. These were just a bit of a finisher to flush some blood into the knees. I really felt these afterwards. I was getting some serious cramps after doing all this.